Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I thought I would do a little bit of baking. So today we're gonna make some really easy biscuits. They're super delicious. They're like restaurant quality. And yeah, I thought you want to come along and bake with me. So let's go ahead and get into it. For this recipe, you're gonna need 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour, 2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Then you're also gonna need 1 large egg, about 2/3 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of chilled butter, but I'm gonna leave that in the fridge until I'm ready to put it in here. So let's get baking. Okay, so I'm going to start with my flour. I'm actually gonna double the recipe because I like to have a little bit of extra more biscuits. So you can use what I said before, or you can double it just like me. So I'm gonna start with some flour. I'm gonna let you know I preheated my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the self-rising flour to my bowl. Next, I'm gonna add my butter, and since I'm doubling the recipe, I'm gonna use the whole stick. If you don't want to, then just use 4 tablespoons. Then you just wanna use your hands and break the butter in the flour until you have like kind of like breadcrumbs. So it takes a little bit. So it's kind of coming together now. If you could see, it's kind of more like breadcrumby. Okay, so after all of the butter is rubbed through, it should kind of look like this. And you could tell it's just kind of like breadcrumbs kind of looking. All the butter is rubbed into the flour, and there's no like really big chunks. So I'm just gonna stir in the sugar. Okay, next in a measuring cup, you're gonna take your egg and you're gonna crack it directly into the measuring cup. And just whisk that in the measuring cup. So leave the egg in the measuring cup and then pour your milk into it, about 2/3 cup. So you just want to go up to the 2/3 cup line with the egg in it. I'm just gonna mix it all together. Okay, so once that's like a soft dough, you're going to flour your workstation. Then lightly knead the dough. Just gonna lightly knead it until it comes together. And I hate this part because it's so sticky. Ugh. Just try to do it as quickly as I can. Okay, so here's what the dough should kind of look like. It just kind of came together. It's not super, super sticky where it's sticking to my hands. And then we're gonna roll it out and cut it into circles. Since I don't have a circle cutter, I'm just gonna use a cup and then place it on an already greased pan. So just go ahead and grease it with a little bit of butter. That made about 17, and now when they're on the tray, you just want to take a little bit of milk and then just brush it on the tops. I'm gonna put them in my oven probably for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're kind of golden brown and risen. Okay, so I just took them out of the oven. Not sure if you can see how they're just a little bit golden on the bottoms. It's golden brown. So let's go ahead and try one. Okay, here's my biscuits. See how they're nicely risen. They got gold bottom. Cannot wait to eat these. They're delicious. The inside. Can you see that? Okay, let's try a bite. They're so good. They're like crispy on the bottom and then super soft in the middle. It's like ones that you get from like a restaurant. So good. Okay, so I'm gonna go devour these off camera. Probably eat a few more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming and baking with me. If you like this kind of video, let me know. I could totally do some more baking. I mean, I'm not a baker, but this recipe is so easy. You guys can do it. I know you can. Send me some pictures if you guys make any. So yeah, till next time, guys. Bye.
Sunk to the ground, you sweat